my pudding.
Father's Day at the house. Hey, Boogie.
So Uncle Ronnie was trying to hold her, but she just woke up.
See, I see when I first wake up, I don't know what's going on, and I'm startled.
That's Uncle Ronnie, baby. You talked to him on the phone, but he
Buggy. What you doing, baby girl?
She just woke up. She don't want to be.
See me later. Say who is that on the phone?
I did that.
Watch it. Hold on. Watch it. Who is that? He was happy, and then I said he wanted to
My older boy,
Yeah.
Ronnie.
You hear him?
That okay, then. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey. Let that flag fly. Leonard Skinner hanging over on the tree. £180, 8-point. Star Brow times. Never forget that hunt.